Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Tuesday, the first day of July 2014. Now we have officially ended the first half of 2014. Closed it out. Today, our results, well, we've only got one day so far in July. You can see the gross is 562.50. We were plus 21 ticks on soybeans. We were minus 8 ticks on the Russell. We were plus 18 ticks on natural gas, plus 36 ticks on crude oil, and minus 16 ticks on gold. This morning it took us, did I enter? I thought I entered this in here. Anyway, it took us, did I enter it down here? I must have just entered it down there. That's what I did. It took us 39 minutes and 7 trades to get to our goal for the day. And when we closed out that trade, we're up 242.50, and we had a total of 15 trades today. Okay, that is what we had. That's it. So if you were to apply, an $8 per turn to all 15 trades we took, you'd still be up a net of 442.5. If you were to apply a $5 per turn commission, you would be up a net of 487.5. Anyway, our gross this morning was 562.50. That was in the live trading room. 2 contracts. I put down here what I started to do the other day. I should capitalize these and all that. But anyway, in January we were up 6,027. February 6,042. March 53.35. April 7,555. May 53.57. And in June we were up 39.52. We've got a pretty good start on this month right now, being up 562 in the first day. Last year, July and August were good months as far as profit totals went. April and May we had 62.92. June we dropped down some. July we were at 64.62. That was a new high on the year for us. And then August we had 72.10. That was the high of the year last year for us. So that's where we stand right now so far. Okay. Now I want to also take a moment and show you all how to get into our free trial. All right. To take our free trial, you just need to go to CFRN.net. The home page. Hang on, drag it over for you. Go to CFRN.net. On the home page, in the right-hand column right here, it says register for a free trial. Put in your name, put in your email address, click register for a free trial. Once you register for the free trial, you'll be sent a confirmation link. You need to click on that confirmation link because we do not know that you registered for a free trial until you click on that link. All right. Once you click on the link, we'll know you registered. We'll send you off a bunch of information about how to get into the live trading room, what the password is, links to get in there, little videos about all our indicators, and you'll be sent a follow-up email that says, please watch this video. It would be good of you to watch that video because you'll be a little further along in your first day in the live trading room. You know, anybody that was in there for the first time today was probably just a little overwhelmed because there was a lot going on in there today. Okay. Now I took 15 trades. I'll go through them all here in just a minute. But, no, that's it. I'll go through them all right now. I think we'll start out with crude oil is where we usually start. On crude, you know, we had the biggest gain in crude today, but we didn't trade all that much in crude. We only traded 4 times, I think. And let's see. Yeah, this was it on crude today. Our first trade on crude was an up close above the trend line right in here. We ended up taking 1 tick profit on that one. All right, the next trade on crude was over here. It was a down close below the trend line. We took 5 ticks profit. That put us at plus 6. The next trade was right here. We took 22 ticks profit on that one. That put us at plus 28. And our final trade was right here. It was a down close below the trend line again. And we took 8 ticks profit on that. And put us at plus 36. That was where we stopped trading the crude for the day. It kept going down, but it was the cycle was all messed up in the middle here, so it wasn't giving us any trade setups that we could take. Okay, but we ended plus 36 ticks on crude. All right, plus 36 ticks on crude oil. The next market that we will do is the Russell, and we traded a few times on the Russell. Sadly, we did not make any money today. The Russell was kind of, the ES was in and out of weekly trading zones this morning when we had some good opportunity to trade the Russell, so we couldn't actually trade it until the ES got out of its own way. Like all this stuff right in here, we couldn't do that this morning. We did take one long trade right here. One long trade right here. We ended up taking a break even on that. We took another long trade over here once the ES had gotten out of its way. We took another long trade over here, and that worked out badly for us. We lost 8 ticks. It turned around and just went right down. See, if we were just looking at the Russell, there were trade setups in here. A nice short trade right there. Perfect short trade right there. Another one right here that I missed. Long trade over here that I missed. And this was our final trade of the morning on the Russell. It was right in here. It was a long trade up close right there. We ended up taking a break even on that one as well. All right. That was it for the Russell. Since then, I've been wanting it to close above there, and it just had that one little close up right there. But that was pretty much at the end of the live trading room. It started moving up there. Okay. That's it. That's all we had on the Russell. Okay, we ended the Russell minus 8 ticks. Minus 8 ticks. Next, we'll do gold. Gold was difficult for me today. I lost 2 trades on gold, but I mean, just look at the way it was. This was our first trade, and I should have actually been out of that at break even. It went 4 ticks, and I should have gotten out of it at break even, but I messed it up. That was it. I messed it up. I didn't move my stop fast enough. I should have gotten out of break even, but I didn't. The next trade was over here, down close below the trend line. I didn't get into that one. It didn't go anywhere. And this one over here, I missed. This one I missed. And I grabbed this one. This one I went long on the up close above the trend line, and obviously that stopped me out. We had some nice movement in here. That totally unexpected movement. Totally unexpected movement, and it was, I could have easily gotten back both of those losses in any of these trades, but sadly I missed them all. It was alright though, because I was making money somewhere else. But that was it. This would have been an up close above the trend line. This was a down close below the trend line, and this was also a down close below the trend line. Right? You see we had the bearish divergence, bullish divergence. Everything was coming together for it there. And that was it. I ended the Russell, I ended the gold minus 16 ticks. I had those 2 losses. So it was minus 16 ticks on that. Now the soybeans were good to us today. We liked the soybeans today. And I missed some pretty good trades in there today too. Let's see, the first one was right here, this down close right here. Well, there was no divergence on that, but if we had divergence there, then that would have been the first spot. I got to take that thing off of there because there really was no divergence there. The next one was right over here. This was a momentum trade, okay, because we had lost our divergence, but we did have some, but we lost it. Well, it went away as the price dropped, and we got into that, and we took on the first trade on the soybeans, I think we took 6 ticks profit, right? Then we missed this one, and we jumped in on this one, and we took 3 ticks profit on this, putting us at plus 9. Then we got in on this one over here. We took 4 ticks profit on that, putting us at plus 13. And the final one was right over here that we took. This one put us at plus 21. That was 8 ticks profit on that one. Range bar predictor. I don't even know what that is. Rick, I don't even know what it is. But anyway, yeah, I do okay. Just doing it in my head. If there is an easier way to determine where you should enter, that does the math for you, then that's okay. But as long as I can add and subtract 4, I'll be okay. I do mess it up sometimes, so. All right. And that was it on the soybeans, guys. We ended plus 21 ticks on the soybeans today. Let's see. I did gold. I did crude. Oh, natural gas. I didn't do natural gas yet. Okay. On the natural gas, the first opportunity was right in here. All right. I had missed that. That was right at the open. I had missed that one. It would have been a break even for me had I gotten into it anyway. The next one, though, was right in here. And my first trade on natural gas, it looks like I got 15 ticks profit on this one. All right. This was the one where we reached our 2 points for the day. We were 1 tick away from reaching our 2 points. I think we're at 92.50 or something like that. And I needed 1 tick, and I got into here. And as soon as it closed up above the MA1 right there, I moved my stop to plus 1 tick, and it gave me another 14 ticks. So we took the whole thing, and that's how we ended at plus 242.50 when we closed the trade and got to our goal. The next one that we took right here was a break even, another close above the trend line. And this one was a bounce off the BBC over here. We shorted on a down close off the BBC with the bearish divergence. Here it is, like that. Okay. We had a bearish cross, pull away, tested the BBC with a down close right there, bearish divergence, and a red cycle. That's it. It's going down. We shorted there. We took 3 ticks profit. There was another one right in here. This was a momentum trade right here. You see, because the green line was headed down, and it was almost all the way in the cycle already. All right, and I missed that, and I missed that, and that was it. That was it on the natural gas. It plots the range of the bar for you on the chart as it's forming. I don't. Where do I get it, Rick? It's not one of the indicators, is it? It's not in here somewhere, is it? Anyway, those were all the markets that I traded. I'll show you the ES, though we did not trade the ES today. From yesterday, it just ran up. All right, but this morning it was stuffed in between these zones most of the morning, and then by the time it got up here, by the time it got up there, we just didn't have any trades that we could take. Okay, that was the ES. There was nothing there on the ES for us to trade this morning, sadly. Let's see. Now today is Tuesday, and for all of those of you who are partners, we've decided we're not going to do the partners meeting this week because of the holiday. We're just not going to do it this week. Okay. And those of you who are in the 3-month mentoring program, we'll add a week on for all of you so that you get that 12th partners meeting. Okay. And let's see. I believe that is it, guys. That is everything that we have. Ouch. Darn it. Why do I keep doing that? That is everything that I did today in the live trading room. Okay. Let's see. So I wanted to show you once again to take the free trial. If you haven't taken the free trial, put in your name, put in your email address, click register for a free trial. You'll be sent a confirmation link. You got to click on that confirmation link. Otherwise, you will not get a free trial. Okay. And I'll put my spreadsheet back up again so you can see the results for today. We were plus 21 in beans, minus 8 in the Russell, plus 18 in gas, plus 36 in crude, minus 16 in gold. Jeanette, I said, we're not going to do a partners meeting this week. Okay, no partners meeting this week. Ah, okay. I see what you're saying, Rick. This is DT Pro. This isn't NinjaTrader. Okay. Nope, we're not going to do it at all, Bart. Because I'm in Connecticut. It would be difficult for me to do, and it'd be tough for people to go to. All right. Because of the holiday on Friday. All right. So that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap up the recording here. And yeah, I'll be doing Thursday morning. I'll be doing the webinar Thursday morning, the live trading room, like we always do. Okay, that will be normal. I don't know if I don't know if we're going to do an afternoon show on Thursday. We hadn't really talked about that, but with the markets being closed and all that, I don't know if David would be around.
Well, with the markets being closed, and maybe we can do an abbreviated one where we just do a recap of the live trading room.
Okay.
And then if David's around and wants to chat a bit, we can do that. Otherwise, we can call it a day.
Okay. All right. Well, there you have it. All right, so I'm going to stop the recording here.